Looking at you, I can't ever be free, 'cause you make my heart race. So get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Yeah, you've got that one thing.
All right, who got that for him?
Wait.
It says Jack Attack.
No message, just from Jack Attack.
All right, who got it for him?
Mr. Messina,